I'm super excited to tell you about our brand new integration with Instantly. Now, Instantly is one of those extremely popular software when it comes to outbound and outreach. People use it every single day. But the biggest challenge that you're going to run into when you're trying to do cold email or email prospecting is the data. And most of the businesses that are trying to get outbound perfect, they have inaccurate data or not quality data, and they don't have a really good, highly personalized messaging to get those people. The emails aren't verified. That means that the quality of the data is not great. So you put all these things together, they actually have a really poor outbound metric. So what I want to share with you guys is how Clickx is fixing that once and for all. So the first thing I want to show you is inside the platform, how does the integration work between Clickx and Instantly, and how you can start sending more qualified, better, more personalized emails right now to get better ROI from your email. So you log into Clickx. The way that this whole system works is that we built the biggest database that you could find on the planet for small businesses. That's right. So if you want to go after brick and mortar businesses, plumbers, roofers, siding, stucco, painting, any kind of contractor, home services, medical services, anything in between, insurance agents, real estate, commercial, whatever it is that you want, we built the database. Now, this is a growing database. This is not a static database. It gets updated every single day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because this is vital for our prospecting system that we built here at Clickx. So we want to help our agency partners generate leads, close deals, and help them with managing the workload with white label fulfillment. So in order to do that, we want to make sure that you're not out there looking for more contacts to prospect or to send a mass email to, or to start a cold email campaign or a cold call campaign. I could then further narrow this down to my state. All right, I can be like, hey, I want to find people in Illinois, and I can say, hey, we have 351. That's ready to be downloaded. So it doesn't matter where you live, we can get as much data as you possibly want, so you never have to think about buying data anywhere else. And what you want to do, you take this list, you take that database and put it into a list of your choice. So we have this concept called a list. List is simply where we organize the contacts. So here's a list of contractors. So if I want this data to go to Instantly, all I have to do is go to my integrations and then set up my integration with Instantly. We have lots of integrations. So I'm going to go to my Instantly integration, get my API key from Instantly, paste it inside Clickx, so you shouldn't be able to see it. There's my API key. And if I want to pass that data for my roofers, for instance, all I have to do is come over here, select which Instantly campaign I want to get this data to push to. No exporting, no importing, no mapping fields. And once I've done that, now we have a lot of customizations behind the scenes because we're sending so many emails out for our partners. What you get inside Instantly is something like this. When that transfer happens from Clickx to Instantly, we verify that domain name and that email address in case the person that we have in our database is no longer working there. Because if I go back into that list of those roofers, we have pages and pages of contacts, right? And every single one of these people have first name, last name, email address, domain name, all kinds of information about the business, their cell phone number. We got tons of data that's going to be passed over to Instantly. So in that process, every single time, we verify their email address so that you know that the emails are not going to bounce. But I wish that's all we did. We do a lot more things to that so we can send the most personalized information email possible. So number one, the status is an Instantly, whether the email started or not. We have their first name, last name, we have their company name, we have their website address, we have the city, we have their YouTube channel if they have it. The category is the industry, so I can drop their industry into my email. We have their Facebook page URL, their Instagram page URL. Why are those things important? So I want to mention that I came across your Facebook page. I came across your Instagram page. I'm helping XYZ category. We have some SEO metrics that we went and identified. And last but not least, we took a picture of their website and we drop a screenshot of their website in that process so that we can send an email with a picture of their website in the body of the email saying, hey, I was on your website today, and yada, yada, yada. They'll be like, wow, this guy was on my website. He took a look at the things. And so we want to send the most hyper personalized email to all these businesses. And if Instantly is my backend, rather than reinventing the wheel, I just want to simplify the getting of the data, verifying of the data, transferring it inside to Instantly so I can start my campaign immediately, right? That's what I want. And once that's done, here's kind of like the next steps, right? So a lot of people wonder like, okay, Salman, tell me more. Here's real life examples of customers. We've sent the same process, took the data from Clickx, upload to Instantly, personalize the email, send it out. As you can see, we have a screenshot in every single one of them. They respond back. There's a lot of different templates that we test and try. Sometimes the decision maker forwards to somebody else and they're reaching out to us. But whatever the case might be, if you want to speed up the process of getting the data, uploading it, making sure it's absolutely clean, verifying it, and being able to send emails that same day, we can do that with this integration. So we're so excited about it. So if you have any questions, always leave it in the comment section. If you want to try this out, get on a call with one of our partner advisors to find out if Clickx with this integration is the right fit for your agency. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.